butter cookies are classic, simple, beautiful, and delicious. A true buttery comfort. In a mixing bowl, add 2 sticks of unsalted, softened butter. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla. And 4 egg yolks. Cream together for about 3 minutes total. You'll notice the color begin to change to a light, fluffy pale yellow. Now it's time to add your dry ingredients. In a sifter, add 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Sift your dry ingredients into the butter mixture and make sure not to skip this step. Sifting is the key to light and fluffy baked goods. Stir together using a large blending fork and try not to overmix the dough. Overmixing can cause your cookies to be tough. Mix just until all the flour blends in. Transfer the dough to a piece of plastic wrap, press into a disc about 1 inch thick, and chill in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Or you can quick chill in the freezer for about 20 minutes. While the dough chills, make an egg wash using 1 whole egg and 2 teaspoons cream or milk. Beat well and set aside. Using an egg wash will give your cookies a nice shiny golden color on the tops. Lightly flour your workspace. I like to use parchment paper or a silicone mat. Roll the dough to about 1/3 of an inch thick. I'm using my favorite rolling pin. It's a nice hardwood rolling pin made by J.K. Adams. I found this one on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link in the description below. Anyone that loves to bake should definitely have one of these. Traditionally, French butter cookies are round with scalloped edges, but I really love the heart shapes. You can take your leftover pieces of dough and gently press together and re-roll. Apply the egg wash using clean hands or a pastry brush. Using a fork, make a pattern on each cookie. You can reshape and smooth the edges as needed. Bake at 350 degrees for about 18 minutes or until browned. Allow the cookies to cool for at least 10 minutes on the baking sheet before transferring to a wire rack. I hope you try this recipe and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.